Hey everyone, it's Sarah, and this is a belated video because right now we are doing Fab Fit Fun customizations for winter, and this is my edit selection stuff from fall. It's not entirely my fault because I did receive these items pretty quickly, and then I was going to do my video, and then I realized I didn't have everything. I got a shipping notification about the time I was going to record, and I realized this little guy had not arrived, and it took forever. This was in limbo, and it arrived really late, and I was tied up. So we're just gonna get into it and see what we have here. I know I do have a mystery item, a mystery bundle, and beyond that, bodysuits, and I don't remember anything else that I purchased. So it's going to be kind of a surprise for me too. I went ahead and did my customization for the winter box, so that was pretty fun. Okay. I remember this now. Yes, this is a travel makeup organizer or bag thing. One where you can kind of spread out your makeup stuff. And at least that's what I think it is. And you just kind of lay it out. And sorry, I have kind of a cold. It's just been, that's another reason I have been a little bit delayed recently. Losing my voice and everything. So you just kind of spread your makeup stuff out, and it just, you can kind of scoop it up. I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's not spreading out like I thought it would. I think it's supposed to be some kind of makeup bag though. But it doesn't seem to work exactly how I thought it would. It looks like it's just sort of a bucket. But I thought it was one of those that it really appears to just be a bucket, and then it has, if you can see, places to put brushes or bottles on the inside. So it doesn't work exactly how I thought it was going to work. It looks a little different than it did in the picture. And it has some sort of a pouch for a brush or something, and then another little pouch here. So it's different. It's different than it was, than I thought it was. So that's not what I thought it was. Okay, maybe this, okay, there's another component. There's another component here. No, there are two of exactly the same thing. Interesting. Okay, well, there you go. Two of exactly the same thing that I didn't know I ordered, unless that was the mystery bundle. Sometimes they get a little creative with their mystery bundle. I've had some interesting experiences with the mystery bundles. I haven't had one of them in a while. One time I did a video and then someone alerted me to the fact that I was missing something from my mystery bundle, which was nice of them. Okay, these I got, I remember now, I got a couple of these little sponge doohickeys soaps for my nephews. I got two different designs, I believe it was. Okay, here we go. I thought they were cute, and I thought they would be nice for, I use mine. I have not the little kid versions, but these work really well for travel. So you don't have to bring like a poof and soap. So I know they're going to be traveling, and there's nice to have, so for the kids. And I thought they would be good stocking stuffers, so that's what I got those for. This, I think, is my mystery bundle. Alan by Teddy Daily Journal. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, here it says, today's intention, Today's 3 goals, 3 non-negotiables for today. Go the extra mile. It's never crowded there. Okay, today I felt today was. I'm slightly dyslexic, so my favorite moment from today was something that could have made today better. Today I learned. So it has writing prompts. Okay, well, that is the journal. And this has to be the mystery bundle scrunchies. My scrunchies are pretty big because I have a lot of hair. So that might be like a stocking stuffer for something, for someone or something. But they're like little kind of different designs. This is vitamin C cream. This is Moroccan Gold Series Argan Oil for hair. That's something that I do use on occasion. Might be a stocking stuffer. And that seems to be it for the mystery bundle. I love this. This is one of my favorite mascaras, and I believe I managed to find, this is the waterproof version. I love, 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 love this mascara. And one of the things, besides the formula, that I like about this mascara is that it's in a tube. I love mascaras in a tube because you can kind of stick your brush in there and really squeeze the tube, this, you know, to get the mascara onto the wand. So it's very convenient. You can actually get it onto your brush and not have to squirm it around. This is a really good smelling body wash sponge. And these, I like them. They're not rough on your skin, but they do have a little bit of an exfoliating quality to them. Like I said, I do use these when I travel. It's nice to not have to bring the body wash with you or use hotel soap. And some of them smell really good. This one smells pretty nice. So 14 plus uses. I was gone on my last trip. I think it was about 10 days, and I could still use it more. So you definitely get your 2 weeks out of it or whatever. Here is another one. This one says Mandarin Rose Patchouli, and it smells nice also. I don't know how many are in here. Several, I'm thinking. Smith & Colt nail polish. That's a nice color. Nice holiday color. Shampoo bar. I bought these for someone that really likes the shampoo bars. Not for me. They would not be good for my hair in particular. I didn't remember getting these, but these are Kate Spade. I don't know if it's just... Which is this? This might just be earrings. I think it's earrings. Okay. There we go. Those are cute. Very cute. Pink and gold. I did lose an earring on my cruise, which is not the first time I've lost an earring on a cruise. It seems to be a thing that I'm doing recently. So this is Fakai Full Blown Volume Texturizer. So there's that. What is this? Oh, these are the bodysuits. I think they are Shaper bodysuits. Yes, looks like that's what they are. So there's one in a nude color. Well, okay. So, and they have like a hook gusset right there. And then a black. So, little shapewear right there. And then one more thing. Gold Infused Illuminator $1 Billion Beauty. I think this one was really inexpensive. And I wanted to try this because one of my favorite products that I use all the time is the Charlotte Tilbury. Hold on. I'm having a brain freeze. Okay, the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is what I use all the time, and this has been being sold out. I managed to find it, but where did it go? I was curious if this infused gold illuminator might be some sort of similar dupe, and it was really inexpensive, so I just thought I would give it a shot. It kind of sort of looks from the picture like it might be similar, and it says apply over face and neck to moisturize for a brilliant glow. Can be used alone, under, or combined foundation. Similar instructions. So I thought it would be worth a shot, especially since it was so inexpensive. And yeah, so that is my little mini haul here. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm sorry this was so incredibly late. I will soon have, hopefully soon, I'll get everything together, this time hopefully on my winter box with add-ons. And I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about all this. Thanks a bunch.